In the abundance of water, the fool is thirsty. This is a quote from Bob Marley. Actually, Bob Marley did not mean the real water that we drink, but he meant that in the availability of options, somebody who is stupid cannot take the available options. For example, there are those who have end up rejecting certain things without reason. The best example can be seen from football. There are clubs like, sorry to say, Manchester United, who buy players who does not match the style of the coach. The coach comes a good coach, but the player does not fit the style. Yet there are a lot of options, cheaper options in the Premier League. Who would have fitted the style of play? So in the abundance of water, the fool is thirsty.